This video is sponsored by Jackery. We got a few of the newest products from Jackery. We're going to be testing them out while we're out here camping, doing some recreational type activities. We're going to really put this Jackery to the test, really push it to its limits. Welcome back to Adventure Tech, where I do the research so you don't have to. We got the SolarSaga 200 watt solar panel. Also got the Jackery Explorer 1000 V2 brand new portable power station it just released. This may be the ideal portable power station for on the road and camping. I know that my smaller portable power stations can't handle cooking and making some coffee at the same time. You can use this for essential home backup for your kitchen, keep the vegetables fresh and ice cream solid. With 1070 watt hour capacity and 1500 watt output, the Explorer 1000 V2 keeps your fridge running for up to 1 day. It keeps vegetables fresh and prevents milk from spoiling. It also powers your microwave, coffee maker, and other kitchen appliances so you can enjoy hot meals even during an outage. The SolarSaga 200, you can literally set up this solar panel in about a second if you're good about it. And it only has 2 legs to worry about, which is nice because it's really hard to coordinate 3 or 4 legs when you're setting these panels up. And it's great that it comes with this cord built right in. It's got USB-C and USB-A. You can actually charge your devices without even plugging this into a portable power station. And yeah, I'm a nerd. I got solar panels on my phone's lock screen. Jackery SolarSaga 200 watt solar panel features a high solar conversion efficiency. The ETFE laminated case extends the lifespan. I was easily getting 180 watts earlier in the morning with this, which is really good output, and the recommended angle ensures an optimum absorption of sunlight, making it a perfect source for outdoor travel and home backup. It's portable, foldable, and can be hooked up instantly with a power station for ideal power system. So right now is a really good time to get this. There's a huge discount going on. Use the links in the comments or description to get over to this page, get a good deal on these new products from Jackery, help support my channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. By the time we messed around with this, it was getting late, so we decided to take this and test out the AC charging. Getting it plugged into the wall, wanted enough power to be able to cook my food early in the morning. Getting late, so we're gonna head to bed. As it's getting dark, it's nice to have this little built-in light on this. An overlooked feature I love to see. It's so quiet and peaceful in the morning. The sounds of nature, very calming. The last thing you want is a loud portable power station, and this portable power station is almost silent while I'm running my stove at 1400 watts. My stove is making more noise than the Jackery is. Something about cooking a meal out here, it just tastes better. I know a lot of you know what I mean. As everything's cooking, I'm thinking about making some coffee. But the big problem with portable power stations is often they can't handle too much wattage, and coffee makers or kettles can require a lot of wattage. But I'm not really worried about this. I know this can continuously output at 1500 watts, and it can jump up past that quite a bit temporarily when needed. I had absolutely no problems running this 1200 watt kettle while my stove was running between 200 and 800 watts. I like a pour over. It's all stainless. The kettle's stainless and the cup is stainless. It gives me the cleanest taste of coffee that I can get. And it is an easy setup to use when you're out here camping. What a way to start the day. And when we get back, we're going to be testing out this portable power station to see what it can do at work. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give it a like, comment if you have any questions about this portable power station, subscribe and stay tuned because we are going to be doing more work with this to test out its capabilities at work. using some heavy power tools, and explaining the UPS function for servers and things like that. And a little bit of a spoiler alert, we got the Home Power 3000 as well. So expect an upcoming video showcasing the Home Power and what that can do as well. And you can subscribe to my channel completely for free by clicking this subscribe button. Make sure to click that bell icon. You can be one of the first people to hear about these limited deals, new unboxings, and technology news.